Today I am going to share my quick chicken biryani recipe. This can be prepared within 30 minutes and it tastes absolutely delicious. First, let's prepare the marinade. Add 1 cup thick curd. Add 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 2 teaspoon kashmiri chilli powder. Add 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Add 1 spoon garam masala. Add 1 spoon pepper powder. Add 1 spoon salt. Salt can be varied according to your preference. Add 1 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Add half tablespoon turmeric powder. Add half cup lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as tenderizer. Add a handful of mint leaves. Now mix everything well. Once everything is mixed well, add 500-gram chicken. Keep aside to marinate for 15 minutes. Take a pressure cooker and 2 teaspoon ghee. Don't use cooking oil. Ghee adds delicious taste. Add a little piece of cinnamon. Add 1 star anise. Add 4 clove buds. Add 2 cardamom. Add 1 kapok bud. Add 1 pulav leaf. Add chopped onions. Fry in medium flame for 3 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes. Now add marinated chicken and fry in medium flame for 3 minutes. Add a handful of mint leaves. Add chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well in medium flame for 2 minutes. Add 300 grams soaked rice. Add 2 cups water. Add a little bit of mint leaves. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Now close the lid and cook in medium flame. Wait until 2 whistles. Garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Delicious quick homemade chicken biryani is ready to be served. To get the best taste, serve with chopped onions, cucumber and curd.